Hello learner, my name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium where we learn English along with some cricket action. So let's learn. In yesterday we had the shortest game of this tournament. Even before we could realize what was happening to Rajasthan, the game was over. Just like that, in a trice. The phrase in a trice refers to something that happens very quickly. So this is what happened yesterday. Mumbai, they came to bowl. In 20 overs, they gave just 90 runs. They came back to bat and they scored those 90 runs in just 8 overs. Which means a 40 over game was completed in 28 overs. Just like that, in a trice. That is all about the phrase in a trice, and I hope you have learned that today. If you did, go ahead and like this video, follow for more, continue watching, continue learning. Let's learn.